Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually check your signal strength on your master combo decoder. Alright, so let's say the channels are not stable, there is no audio, or the pictures are on and off, and you don't know what is happening. You have to actually check whether the signal is being stable for you to point out that the problem is coming from the satellite dish. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu on your remote. Here you look for installation, you press OK, and if it's a satellite channels that are not stable, you come to the S2. But if it's a terrestrial channel, that's the antenna channels, you come to the T2, that's the terrestrial second generation. So with the satellite you come to the S2 second generation, and here you put it on the antenna settings, you press OK. Alright, so when you come here, as you can see, you put it on the right TP, that's the frequency and symbol rate. TP is transponder, frequency and symbol rate, and the quality in a signal strength tool actually shows, which will indicate the quality of the signal that you are having from the satellite. So let's say the signal quality right there is unstable or somewhere not up to 50%, which will cause the videos or the pictures not being stable. So if it happens to be the signal quality, the signal actually indicates the cable strength and then the LNB, and then the quality actually indicates the signal that you are getting from the satellite. Okay, so the quality, that's the green color in it, which have to be more than the 50%, and then it have to be stable as well. So if you see that it's on and off, going back and forth, you have to know that the problem is coming from the satellite. So you need to check to actually get a stable signal for the channels to actually display well. Alright, so after checking it, you just press on the exit to go back and you are done. So if you find this video helpful, anyway, new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you come back for more. Thanks for watching.